first step we're going to install a C clamp. Okay, we already pasted 3 stickers, damaged undamaged stickers. Your table will be okay without a paste stickers. Okay, and then you have to fix the C clamp. You have to fix the C clamp. And this is specially made for aluminium. This is the higher end design. You just fix on it. After fixing, you just tighten it. And second, just put the small Allen key. This is the small size. Okay, it's done. This is the heavy based product, C clamp. This is the C clamp. It's already done. You have to put the groom for the tightening purpose. Tighten. You just do the full tight. Okay. Checkmate upside. You have to keep the full tight. Okay. C clamp has been fixed, and this is the base pipe for the gas spring. You have to just fix it. That's it. And there is a small screw we just given in back side. You have to tighten it. Okay, this is the step 2, gas spring and the visa plate with the bolt and nut. Okay, you have to fix the visa, and this one is a bolt. And you just put the nut inside. Just tighten it. And this is the second gas spring. You have to fix the visa, and you just put the bolt upside. The bolt downside. This is the step 3, fully assembled, it's completed. I'm going to fix. That's it. And then you have to tighten it. We provided the Allen key with this product. Fourth step has been completed, and this is the 5th step. I'm going to install the monitor in that visa. Dear customers, please note, when you are buying the product, the VESA is 100 only. Okay, the monitor arm will be support up to 32 inches monitor. Only the product has been suit only for the monitors, not for your TV and all, because TV has a VESA capacity is 200 and the monitor has been only 100. Okay, some customers are buying a for the TV also. Okay, after you are buying, you cannot fix your TV in this product. Okay, if you have the TV in 100 visa, you can fix it, but 200 visa it's unfixable. Okay, for the 32 inches, because we selling the product has been genuinely, so we just giving the explanation for the visa clarity. Fifth step, we are going to install the screw in the monitor. You just fixed 2 screws. Okay, fifth step, monitor has been completed. Important note, after your installation has been done, okay, in that visa, and then only you can adjust the product. Okay, height adjustment, everything. Okay, you have to install the monitor. We just install the 24 inches monitor in this arm. Okay, up to 32 inches you can fix it. Okay, after the installation, then only you can adjust the product. Okay, some customer install the product, they need the adjustment. Okay, you cannot do it. Okay, after you are fixing your monitor, you can do the height adjustment. This is the portrait mode and this is the straight mode, and if you are going to tilt your monitor, you can tilt it, and then if you have to do the adjustment, you can do it. This is the bottom level and this is the center level and this is the height level, total top height level. From the bottom 37 inches you can adjust it. Okay.